Your Samsung phone isn't vibrating? Don't change anything yet. One of these 7 fixes could solve it in seconds. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Sounds and Vibration, then make sure Vibrate is turned on. Step 2. Tap vibration intensity and increase it to high or to your preferred level. Step 3. Now check your call vibration, notification vibration, and touch/system vibration settings and make sure they are all enabled. Step 4. Go back to Settings, then tap Notifications. Scroll down to Do Not Disturb and turn it off or check its exceptions if you need to keep it enabled. Step 5. Restart your Samsung phone, then check if the vibration is working. Step 6. If the problem is still there, go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap Software Update. Install any available update, then restart your phone again. Step 7. If your phone still doesn't vibrate, open the Samsung Members app. Go to Support, Phone Diagnostics, Vibration, and run the vibration test. If the test fails or your phone doesn't vibrate, the vibration motor may have a hardware issue, and you'll need to have your phone checked at a Samsung service center. That's it. If you're still having the same problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.